Which Roomba is actually good for pet hair? Simple question, but you have to dig a bit to get the right answer. Today, we're breaking down the top options so you can finally find the perfect match for your furry friend. Product number 1, Eufy 11S Max. The Eufy 11S Max caught my eye with its sleek design and impressive price point of $149.99. If you want a quiet, efficient cleaner that doesn't break the bank, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Eufy 11S Max runs for up to 100 minutes, which is plenty of time to tackle a decent-sized living room, especially if you have wood or medium pile carpets. With a cleaning path width of 12.8 inches and Boost IQ technology, it ramps up suction automatically on different surfaces, ensuring pet hair doesn't get left behind. With over 59,000 reviews and a solid 4.3-star rating, it's clear people are happy with its performance. Now, some people complained about the lack of Wi-Fi connectivity and app control. Here's the thing though, if you prefer simplicity and don't need to program it via an app, this might not be a deal breaker for you. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a budget-friendly option that's effective for everyday cleanups. Skip this one if you want advanced features like smart mapping or remote control. Considering its price, it offers fantastic value for money. Now, if the Eufy's lack of smart features bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Roomba 505X. The Roomba 505X is a beast in the pet hair department, priced at $899. If you want serious suction power and hands-free convenience, this is definitely worth your attention. Here's why this matters for you specifically. With 70 times the suction power compared to older models and advanced dual clean mop pads, it digs deep into dirt and messes that your pets leave behind. The self-emptying dock is another standout feature, handling debris for up to 75 days, which means less hassle for you. Plus, it features AI obstacle avoidance to navigate around cords and even pet accidents, ensuring a thorough clean without you having to lift a finger. Over 8,100 reviews and a 4.4-star rating show it's popular for a good reason. Now, some users mention the price point being quite steep. But I'll be real with you. If you have multiple pets or messy kids, the investment often pays off in the time and effort saved. This is perfect for you if you want an all-in-one solution that can vacuum and mop, ideal for busy households. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget or don't need such advanced features. It's a high-end option, but for many, the convenience justifies the cost. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for specific cleaning needs. Product number 3, Roomba 415X. The Roomba 415X offers an impressive combination of features for $663. If you're looking for a robot that can handle both vacuuming and mopping with minimal effort, pay attention here. This model boasts 20,000 Pascal suction power, which is seriously intense. It vacuums and mops simultaneously, preventing the buildup of pet hair and messes before they become a hassle. The auto-wash dock cleans and dries mop pads after each use, making it super convenient to maintain. With a slim design, it fits under more furniture, and the tangle-free brushes are a lifesaver for pet owners. It's rated 4.3 stars with over 11,000 reviews, which speaks volumes about its reliability. Now, some users found it a bit complicated to set up initially. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, the automation it offers is worth the slight learning curve. This is perfect for you if you want a high-tech solution that does it all while being easy to maintain. Skip this one if you prefer something more straightforward without the bells and whistles. It's a great balance of features and efficiency for the price. Now, if the Roomba 415X's complexity isn't your thing, the next product simplifies things while still delivering quality. Product number 4, Shark AV2501AE. The Shark AV2501AE stands out at $269.99 for its self-emptying base and impressive suction capabilities. If you want a solid performer without breaking the bank, this one's definitely worth considering. With powerful suction, it tackles dirt and debris on various surfaces, making it perfect for pet hair. Its matrix clean navigation ensures no spots are missed by cleaning in a precise grid pattern, giving you that deep cleaning coverage every pet owner dreams of. Plus, it holds dirt for up to 60 days, which means almost no manual emptying for you. It gets a 4.1 star rating from over 17,800 reviews, showing it's a trusted choice. Some users reported issues with the mapping feature not being as effective as expected. But honestly, for the price and what it delivers, it's a minor setback when you consider the overall performance. This is perfect for you if you want a budget-friendly robot that still does an amazing job. Skip this if you need sophisticated mapping and navigation. Considering its performance, it provides excellent value for money. Now, if you're looking for something even more advanced, the last product on our list might just be the ultimate solution. Product number 5, Roomba 105. The Roomba 105 comes in at $269 and features self-emptying capabilities for up to 75 days. If you want a reliable option that simplifies your cleaning routine, this one is definitely worth your time. This robot features 70 times more suction power than older models, making it highly effective for picking up pet hair. It utilizes Clearview LiDAR technology for smart mapping, ensuring it cleans efficiently without missing spots. Plus, it avoids carpets when mopping, which is a huge benefit for pet owners. With a solid 4.4 star rating from 49,200 reviews, you could trust its track record. However, some users mentioned that the app could be glitchy at times. Here's the thing though, if you're not heavily reliant on app controls, this shouldn't deter you too much. This is perfect for you if you want a straightforward cleaning solution with great suction power. Skip this if you're after a high-end model with extensive smart features. For the price point, it's an excellent choice that delivers on its promises. So there you have it, 5 of the best Roombas for pet hair. From budget-friendly options like the eufy 11S Max to the feature-packed iRobot 505X, there's something for everyone. Assess your needs and pick the one that fits your lifestyle best.